Okay, guys, let's get started. So in today's session, we will see how we can set up our lab environment for Intune, right? So first of all, you have to check your computer configuration, whether the computer has the minimum configuration or not. So you need to click on Start and then search System, right? Information. So system information is the first thing what you have to take a look on. And you see the operating system name is Microsoft Windows 11. So either you have Windows 11 or you have Windows 10. Okay, anything of your, anything will work, Windows 11 or Windows 10. Then the second thing is you have to take a look on the processor side. So you have AMD processor, but you have 4 core processor and 8 logical processor. This is fine. Okay, so minimum requirement, it is meeting the minimum requirement. So either you have Intel processor or AMD, but it should be 4 core processor, right? So that is already meeting the requirement. Then scroll down below, you see this is installed physical memory, RAM. How much RAM you have? 8 gigabyte. So this is also meeting the requirement. Okay. So minimum requirement is 8 gigabyte processor, 4 core processor, and Windows 11. So this is meeting the requirement, all of them. Now the next thing is um, how much space you have in your C drive or D drive. Okay. So let me open Intune folder on the desktop and I'll go to um, this PC. Yeah, this PC. That's gonna show us the free space in C drive. You have 160 gigabyte free space. So that's fine. So any of the drive, either you have a space in C drive, D drive, or E drive. So you have free space on all the drives. Minimum how much space is required? 100 gigabyte free space is required. So you have 160 gigabyte. So this is all also meeting the requirement. So this is how you have to take a look on your computer configuration. Now the next thing is you need to download Oracle VirtualBox application. I think you have already downloaded and installed. You see there is an icon on the desktop. So those who have not downloaded, you need to download this. Okay, so you need to go to google.com. Okay, google.com. Now in Google, you have to type in what? Download Oracle VirtualBox. Okay, download Oracle VirtualBox. So once you reach here, you need to click on this one, download Oracle VirtualBox. And then you need to click on this one, Windows Host. Okay, Windows Host. I assume that everyone is using Windows computer. If you are using Mac, then you need to choose this one. Okay, but most of you, I mean, all of you guys are using Windows, and then you need to click on Windows Host. It's gonna download. You see, it is started downloading now. So I just have to click on Save. So the file will get downloaded there. The file is downloaded. Once it is downloaded, you need to click on this and start installation. So you need to click on that and then click on yes. Um, Vijay, click on
Yes, Kashi.
yes if you are getting.
Yes, yeah.
Hmm. Open that one down at the bottom. You see, you have to just go next, 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 and finish. Okay. Next, 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 and install. This is how you do the installation of Oracle VirtualBox. So since it's already installed on your computer, on Vijay's computer, so we don't have to install it again. Let's cancel this. Okay, Vijay. But you guys need to install this one. Yes. Cancel. Yes. Yes. Finish. Okay, so once you install Oracle VirtualBox, the icon is gonna show up on the, close this. Hmm. Icon is gonna show up on the desktop like this. You see Oracle VirtualBox. Okay. When you double click on Oracle VirtualBox, it's gonna open.
Actually, I have added these missions, Kasif. I have watched previous videos.
Hmm.
Uh, Maybe someone didn't install or didn't do that. Can share your screen.
No, that's okay. So
It's
this is
okay.
the
Okay.
old, this is the old machine. That's okay. Now, you need to create a new machine. So in order to create a new machine, new virtual machine, basically, you need to download one more thing, and that is the ISO image file, the Windows 10 ISO. So let's go to google.com. So again, you need to go back to the Google, and here you need to type in what? Download Windows 10 ISO. Okay, everyone, you have to go to this download Windows 10 ISO. And then you have this Windows, download Windows 10, right? Hmm. Now, when you come to this page, you need to scroll down a little bit and choose this one, the one which says create Windows 10 installation media. So I'm going to click on download now. Once you reach there, you have to click on save. Okay. So the media creation tool is now downloaded. So I need to click on that. Then you need to click on accept, right? Vijay, click on accept. And then we have to choose this option, create installation media. Vijay, choose that one. Okay, everyone, you have to choose that, create installation media, and go next. Now then you have a checkbox which says use the recommended option for this PC. Uncheck that box. Okay, we are not doing it for this computer. We are gonna create a new machine. So let's click on next and then choose the second option, ISO file, and then next, and then click on save. So this is how you download Windows 10 file. Is that clear, everyone? Hmm?
Yes, Kashi.
Yes, Kashif.
Is Windows 10 ISO image already downloaded for anyone?
It's for me, Kashif. Actually, I have read it last that one
Oh,
lecture.
okay. Anyone else?
No, Kashif. I will try on even.
Okay. Once it is downloaded, okay, minimize
Uh,
this, Vijay. Yes,
I have already downloaded, I think, Kasif.
yes. So once it is downloaded, you have to build a new Windows 10 machine. Okay, so you have to come back to this virtual box manager, and here on the top you have new, right? You need to click on new and type in the machine name. So you need to type in WIN VM, since we are gonna create Windows virtual machine. Okay, so WIN VM 001. Okay, 001 you have to give everyone. Since 001 is already there, that's the reason I'm giving 002 for Vijay. But other people you will have to give 001. Okay, then you choose the folder location. Where will you save this Windows 10 machine? In C drive or D drive or E drive, depends on the space you availability. So since we have 160 gigabyte free space in C drive in Vijay's computer, so we'll go with the default option. Then type Microsoft Windows version Windows 10, right? Then we have to go to um, unattended install. Okay, so we'll leave everything default. Then hardware. Let me go to the hardware, and we need to give 4 gigabyte. So 4100. Okay, 4100. More than 4 gigabyte actually. 4096 is actually 4 gigabyte. It is um, round figure. 4096 is 4 gigabyte, but we are giving 4100, more than 4 gigabyte. Then processor, let's give 2 processor. Okay, how many processor? 2 processor. And then we have enable, sorry, hard disk. Let me expand hard disk, and we have 50 gigabyte. Instead of 50, let's give 80 gigabyte, 80. Okay, and then click on finish. So the machine is ready, right? This is the new machine. Now, once the machine is showing up here, you need to now go to setting tab. So let's go to the setting page here on the top. In that, you need to scroll down a little bit. And here you have TPM. TPM, we need to select version 2.0. Now, why we are choosing TPM? TPM is a hardware motherboard chip which will help you to encrypt the hard disk of the machine. This is needed for encryption. Okay. So TPM version 2.0. Then when you go down, you have enable EFI and enable secure boot. So let me choose that. Okay. Then let's click OK. Then you need to, you see SATA port 1. SATA port 1 is empty. We need to connect the Windows 10 ISO image, the one which is getting downloaded right now. So how much percent is downloaded? 10%. You'll have to wait for at least 10-15 minutes for this Windows 10 ISO image to get downloaded. But Vijay, I think it's already downloaded for you last time, so you can choose the Windows 10 or choose a disk file, okay, and choose the location from where it
Yes.
is downloaded. So this is downloaded last month. Okay, so either you download today or the old file. So we are choosing the old file. Other people, you will have to choose the latest file which you are downloading today. Okay, and click on open. Then you need to click on start. Now when you start, you have to be quick. A new window will come. Okay, yeah, new window is come. Now the moment it says press any key, I have to click the mouse inside. So I need to click the mouse and press any key on the keyboard. So what I did, I clicked the mouse on the black window inside here, and then I pressed any key on my keyboard. Okay, you have to be quick. So when it says press any key to start the setup, you need to click on that and then press any key on the keyboard. Here you have language, right? I'll go with the default option next, install now. So here it says product code. We don't have any product code, so we'll go with this one. I do not have a product code. And then we will choose Windows 10 Pro. Make sure you choose this one, Windows 10 Pro. Okay. Next. Accept the license terms and condition. Next, and you need to choose this option, the Windows only install Windows only advanced one, the second option, and then click on next. That's it. So you have to leave the machine running for like 15-20 minutes, maximum half an hour it will take to build the new machine, and the machine will be ready. So after building process, it will ask you to choose the region, you know, choose your country, then choose your language, choose your keyboard. So once you see those, pages, Once the machine is ready, it is gonna ask you to choose your region. So once you see that, you just power off the machine. You don't do anything. You simply go ahead and close the machine. How will you power off? You would simply click on close, and then it's gonna ask you to power off. Choose this power off button and click OK. Okay. Not now. You have to wait for this installation to finish, and then you will have um, region to choose, right? Then you just power off. Okay. Any question? Anyone? Hmm? Minimize this, Vijay, the virtual machine.
This
It's
one
running
also.
slow. No, no, no. Open Notepad. It's running slow.
Yes, yes.
It's running very slow now. Click OK. Okay, so you have to basically click OK. You have to basically write down the today's. Click OK. 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 Open new one. New tab.
Yes, yes.
Open new tab. Okay. Type in today's date. Today is 3rd Jan. You cannot type in.
I can tell.
Point number 1, 2025 now.
Yeah.
Point number 1, check system configuration. Check system configuration. Point number 2, download and install Oracle VirtualBox.
Are you typing, Kasi?
No, I'm not touching the mouse. I'm not touching the mouse.
Okay.
Download and install Oracle VirtualBox. Point number 3, download Windows 10 ISO file. Download Windows 10 ISO file. Point number 4, build a new Windows 10 virtual machine. Okay. So you need to send this to virtual machine spelling is VirtualBox VIRTUL up point number 2. VIRTUL. Okay. So this is today's topic, guys. We have um, done all these things. Now, what you have to do is you need to build Windows 10 machine and power off that machine when it will ask you to choose your region and keyboard and all. What is the current status? Can you take a look? Okay, so it is almost there, right? So you need to power off the machine when it will ask you to choose region and keyboard and all. Okay, clear, guys? Any question before we wrap it up?
Sir, one question. So, sir, what is the option we need to choose? Like the setup for personal use or setup for our organization in the final stage?
Setup for organization, but power off that machine. Okay.
Okay.
Hi, Kashif. Akshay here.
Yes. Right.
Actually, regarding that card means account subscription, one card I have only one credit card that is already utilized. Do you have do you have any alternate option apart from this credit card?
You need to choose a different credit card. You cannot use the same credit card to create your new account. Okay.
Yeah, apart from credit card, suppose I don't have another credit
You
card, say,
can try debit card, Visa or Master debit card. You can try.
I, okay, sure, I will check it. I will check.
Okay, guys. Any question before we wrap it up?
Kashi, at the end of the after installation of virtual box, we need to provide the region, right?
Hmm?
After installation of virtual box, we need to provide the region. I mean, machine, Windows 10 iOS.
We need to provide the reason. What do you mean by
Yeah,
reason?
you told before 10 minutes back, you told me provide the region name.
Windows 10, we need to enroll that device. So we need a machine so that we can enroll that device into Intune. And then from Intune, we will be managing this virtual machine. Okay, that's the reason. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. We'll meet on Monday. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, we will not have any session. We will meet on Monday at 8 a.m. India time. So everyone, you need to come on the same page. Whatever we have done today, build a new Windows 10 machine and keep it ready before we meet on Monday. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sure.
Okay.
O-
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Bye now. Bye, everyone.